hope we all had our equal opportunities to shine. So, as the judges are deliberating, allow us to award the participation of our various judges and respective judges and award them a token of our appreciation. So, allow my colleague here to read the citation.
Western Mindanao State University College of Teaching Education, College Student Council, Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Alexa Marie Murillo in recognition and sincere appreciation of their valuable service as a judge during the literary competition extemporaneous speaking and spoken poetry held on 11th of April at City APR Room 25. Given this 11th day of April 2025 at Western Mindanao State University, Zamboanga City, Philippines. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Ahmad Raouf A. Abdul Raouf in recognition of their valuable services judge during the literary competition spoken poetry and extemporaneous speech held on CATR Room 25. And Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Amir T. Alain in recognition and appreciation of their valuable service judge during the literary competition at the College of Teaching Education.
For the participants here, the awarding of who is the first, second, and third will be awarded later during the closing ceremony. So, if you're still here by then, please attend the closing ceremony so you may know who is the winner, who is the second, and who is the third. Thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause to our judges. That concludes our extemporaneous and spoken poetry competition. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for participating. And thank you so much for competing. All of the participants, please come forward ng mga Okay, so let's have one with our judges as well.
Anong course mo kaya din? Yung BN, mga BNers. Sa ano, mga third, second year. Ayun. Di ba kung yan ang maganda? Ang first year.
Mataling arami.